Today was an odd day for me for railfanning. I had to work today, so there wasn't much time, but I caught this Amtrak with a special treat, a -8 locomotive.
Milepost 865.4.
On my way to pick up some dinner, I heard a buzz order scanner, something about Southeast Hart. So I went with my son to the Sebring Depot to see what I could see. Stay over here, Ty. Don't get too close. Coming any minute now. You excited? Got a nice green signal down there.
Defect detected. Milepost 86. Lane control 4374. Train speed 38. Total axle 308. End transmission.
Just stay here with me, okay? Stay here with me, okay? It's gotta be going pretty fast here. I think it's going 38. It's all right. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Ryan Haney reporting in from Sebring, Florida.